Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Begin by turning the ignition to position 1 or 2 on. You do not need to start the engine. Confirm whether your E-class uses MBUX, Command, or only the instrument cluster menus, because each interface follows different steps. If you want automatic time updates, ensure GPS reception or a paired phone with network time is available. Otherwise, set the time manually. Also decide 12-hour versus 24-hour display, and note 1 hour for daylight saving adjustments so you can confirm correct offsets. On MBUX or Command, use the rotary controller, touchpad, or touchscreen to open Home, then Settings, then System, then Time/Date. Choose Manual Set to enter hours and minutes precisely, or enable Automatic Time, which uses GPS or the mobile phone to sync. Automatic uses time zones and daylight saving rules. Toggle 24-hour format if desired, and when manual, enter a time zone offset like GMT+1. For MBUX, you can also say set clock to 08:30 to change time by voice without menus. If your E-class uses the instrument cluster menu, press the left/right arrows and OK on the steering wheel to open settings, then date and time. Adjust hours and minutes with the up/down controls. Confirm daylight saving adjustment and the 24-hour preference so analog and digital clocks match. After saving, visually confirm the analog dash clock aligns with the display. If the clock repeatedly drifts, improve GPS reception. Check for a firmware update at the dealer, or verify your paired phone's network time is enabled.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.